Hi, I'm Pat Munto from Campus Auxiliary Laundry. When loading the machine, load the items by the amount of space they take up, not by their weight. The door should always be left open. And when loading it, you should have about 3/4 of this full. If you're using pods, you want to throw the pods in here. And scent beads also go in here. Scent beads do not go in the dryers. They're for the washer only. Once you load the machine, check around, make sure there's not a pair of socks or something that you forgot to put in. Because once you shut the door, have your soap in, and you start it, that door's gonna lock. If you try to open it, you're gonna break it. It's very important to clean the lint screens. We don't want the dryers to overheat and cause a fire. When in doubt, read the instructions on your product that you're using. And if you have any issues with any of the machines, submit a JIRA ticket.
Visit geneseo.edu/CAS. Then select Other Services, Laundry. Report laundry machine problems. Then select washing machine or dryer problem, and be sure to input the 6-digit number on the front of the machine when submitting your request.
Smash the like button.